quadrilaterals. What you did last class? Come on, can you check last what we did? Last question, what we did? Hello, last question. Trapezium 1, okay. Okay. Right. In triangle, this one, just listen, this question we did or not. In triangle ABC, AD is a median through A, E is the midpoint of AD, BE produced mid AC in F. Prove that AF equal to 1 by 3 AC. We did? No, we did this one. AF equal to 1 by 3 AC we did, okay? Okay, next one. Look. Right, this one check. ABC is a triangle, D is a point on AB, such that AD equal to 1 by 4 AB is the midpoint, is the point on AC, such that AE equal to 1 by 4 AC. Prove that DE equal to 1 by 4 BC. I think we didn't do this one. Okay, write the question. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. Okay, D is a point on AB. 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 A, B, C. D is a point on AB. And E is a point on AC. E is a point on AC. Okay. AD equal to 1 by 4 AB. AE equal to 1 by 4 AC. Prove that DE equal to 1 by 4 BC. Prove that DE equal to 1 by 4 BC. Question again. ABC is a triangle. Listen, ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. Okay. Then AD equal to 1 by 4 AB. AD equal to 1 by 4 AB. AD equal to 1 by 4 AB. AE equal to 1 by 4 AC. AE equal to 1 by 4 AC. Prove that DE equal to 1 by 4 BC. Prove that DE equal to 1 by 4 BC. Okay, draw figure. Okay. Okay, look at here. We are shown that DE equal to 1 by 4 BC. Hello, look at here. There is a shorter construction. Look. Here, D is the midpoint. Q the midpoint. Join PQ. Right. Construction. Mark the midpoint of Mark the midpoint of P, mark the midpoint of AB and AC and join. Okay. Mark the midpoint of AB and AC and join. Then right. Let P the midpoint of AB and Q the midpoint of AC, PQ. Join PQ. Clear now? Okay, I'll send it, man. Okay, I'm recording now. Okay, listen, Sham Santosh, we did already this one for you. Okay, the construction is what? The construction, mark P the midpoint of AB and Q the midpoint of AC, join PQ. That is the construction. Clear? Okay, clear now, Divya? Hello, this is based on a midpoint theorem. Those who are absent, I don't know how we'll manage it. I don't know that. Okay, okay. Portion of test in this chapter, quadrilaterals. Okay. Okay. Now look at here. My question. Hello. From Fahel to Findas, 6 kilometer. Okay. From Fahel to Findas is 6 kilometer. Then from Fahel to Abu Alifa, 3 kilometer. Okay. Then what is the distance between Abu Alifa and Findas? 9 kilometer. Come on. Hey. 9 kilometer. Advait, my question. From Fahel to Findas, 6 kilometer total. Then from Fahel to Abu Alifa, 3 kilometer. Then what is the distance between Abu Alifa to Findas? Okay, how many? How 9 kilometer, man? What are you talking about? Look, Fahel, Findas, Abu Alifa. Okay, this distance is 6 kilometer. This distance is 3 kilometer. What about this distance? 3 kilometer, right? Correct or no? Okay. Okay. Hello. Okay, that is 3 kilometer, right? Okay. So now that means Abu Alifa is the middle part, right? Okay. Now look at here. So hello, listen now. My question. Now look at here. My question. AD is, look, AP is half AB. Look, AP equal to half AB. AP equal to half AB. AD equal to quarter AB given. What about PD then? What about PD? AP equal to AP AP equal to half AB. AP equal to half AB. AD equal to quarter AB. My question is, what about PD? PD also half AB. Correct or no? Right? Because half AB minus quarter AB. That is quarter AB. Okay. So what about then D? D is the midpoint of AP. Correct or no? D is the midpoint of AP. Because like abolify the midpoint. Like, so D is the midpoint of AP. Similarly, E is the midpoint of AQ. E is the midpoint of AQ. Okay. Then now look at here. Hello, I'll give it now. Don't write anything. In triangle APQ, D and E are the midpoints. Therefore, DE equal to half of PQ. Listen, in triangle APQ, in triangle APQ, in triangle APQ, D is the midpoint of, in triangle APQ, D is the midpoint of AP, is the midpoint of AQ. Therefore, DE equal to half of PQ. DE equal to half of PQ by midpoint theorem. And also in triangle ABC, P and Q are the midpoints. P and Q are the midpoints. Therefore, PQ equal to half of BC. PQ equal to half of BC. Correct? So now what? DE equal to half of PQ. PQ is half of BC. So DE what? 1 by 4 BC. Correct or no? DE equal to half into PQ is half of BC. So 1 by 4 BC. Is it okay? Is it okay? Clear or no? I'll give the note. Don't write anything. Okay. Okay. Akshaya. Hello, Akshaya. Is it your paper is checking by digital? Not manual, right? Yeah, that's why the 5 and all that way, right? Okay. Now 3 looks like a small kids drawing. That's why I asked out. Okay. But it's very unfortunate thing. Even you got full marks, your teacher did not comment anything. Correct or no? What about Aditi in your class? Aditi. Okay. So Aditi got full, but they commented. That's why I asked out. We are in which division? No idea now which division, right? 9C. Okay, you're 9C. Okay, let me check, Aditi. Your class only. Akshaya, your class only 9C. Aditi, roll number 4. Roll number 4. You are, because you're not going to school now. So how you know? Okay. Roll number 5. Come on, next. Next nearby. 4 and 5. You're the Aditi 5. Okay. No, no, Akshaya, I'm not blaming anyone. Okay, at least you got full mark. At least take the time and comment it, right or no? Correct? Anyway, leave it. Okay, leave it. Okay. So this is finished now. Okay, I'll give the note. Right. Construction, right? Construction. Mark P is the midpoint of mark. P is the midpoint of AB and Q is the midpoint of AC. P is the midpoint of AB and Q is the midpoint of AC. join PQ, join PQ. Okay. Then in triangle, after proof. Okay, in triangle, in proof, right? AP equal to half AB. AP equal to half AB. AP equal to half AB. AP equal to half AB by marking. AD equal to 1 by 4 AB. Therefore, DP equal to 1 by 4 AB. Are you okay or not? This is clear or not? Why 1 by 4? Sham. Are you okay? Half AB minus 1 by 4 AB. If you have doubt, you can write. If you have doubt, you can write like this. DP equal to AP minus AD. So half AB minus quarter AB equal to quarter AB. If you want, you can write the steps. Okay. If you want, you can write the step. AP equal to half AB by marking. AD equal to 1 by 4 AB given. DP equal to AP minus AD. Half AB minus quarter AB. Half minus quarter, quarter AB. Therefore, D is the midpoint of AP. D is the midpoint of AP. Okay, therefore D is the midpoint of AP. Similarly, E is the midpoint of AQ. Similarly, E is the midpoint of AQ. Similarly, E is the midpoint of AQ. Okay, E is the midpoint of AQ. Then after that, in triangle APQ, D and E are the midpoints. In triangle APQ, D and E are the midpoints. D and E are the midpoints. D and E are the midpoints of AP and AQ. Then by midpoint theorem, DE equal to half of PQ. DE equal to half of PQ. Call it number 1. After that, in triangle ABC, P and Q are the midpoints. P and Q are the midpoints. In triangle ABC, P and Q are the midpoints. Then by midpoint theorem, PQ equal to half of BC. From 1 and 2, we get DE equal to half into half BC equal to 1 by 4 BC. Half into half and 1 by 4 BC. Is it okay? Okay, clear now? Check all. Okay, finished now? Okay. So next question, right? Prove that the line joining the midpoint of, prove that the line joining prove that the line joining the midpoints, prove that the line joining the midpoints of the diagonals of a trapezium. The midpoints of the diagonals of a trapezium is parallel to the parallel sides of trapezium. Prove that the line joining the midpoints of the diagonals of a trapezium. Prove that the line joining the midpoints of the diagonals of a trapezium is parallel to the parallel sides of trapezium and equal to half of half of the parallel sides and equal to half of the sum of the parallel sides, equal to half of the sum of the parallel sides. Once again, I'll read. Prove that the line joining the midpoints of the non-parallel sides of correct it like this. Prove that the line joining the midpoints of the non-parallel sides of trapezium. Prove that the line joining the midpoints of the non-parallel sides of a trapezium. Non-parallel sides of a trapezium is parallel to the parallel sides of trapezium and equal to half of the sum of the parallel sides. Half of the sum of the parallel sides equal to half the sum of the parallel sides. Okay, I'll explain the figure, then you can understand. Here, E is the midpoint. Look at here. E is the midpoint, F is the midpoint. So we are sure that EF parallel to DC parallel to AB. One. Second one, EF equal to half of AB plus DC. This is the figure. Question, look at here. ABCD, listen. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC. Okay. E is the midpoint of AD. F is the midpoint of BC. Then EF, what do you have to prove? EF parallel to DC parallel to AB. And EF equal to half of AB plus DC. Okay. Hello, Tejas. Hello, Tejas. Hello. Why didn't attend last class? Last Sunday. Hello, Tejas. I asked you the reason for not attending. You came to India. Why? Why you went for India? Why you went at this time? Any emergency? Then simply wait, Mridula. Okay. So then how will come back? There is no flight, no. At least no. You saw my message. At least you should reply to my message. No, that's why I drop your name. You should. I asked you why not attending. You didn't answer me, so that's why I drop you. Okay. So you want to attend or not? Okay. So now look at here the question. Listen here. We didn't do this question, man. We did the previous question is E is the midpoint and prove that EF is midpoint. Correct or no? We did last class. E is the midpoint of AD. Show that F is the midpoint of BC. That only we did. And EF equal to half of AB plus DC. This is different. This question, hello, Mridula, listen here. ABCD is a trapezium. Listen here. ABCD is a trapezium in which E is the midpoint of AD. F is the midpoint of BC. Prove that EF parallel to DC parallel to AB. And EF equal to half of AB plus DC. Okay, that's now read the question. Prove that the line joining the midpoints of the non-parallel sides of the trapezium. Prove that line joining the midpoints of the non-parallel sides of trapezium parallel to the parallel side and equal to sum of the half of the sides. Okay, draw figure. Then I explain. Okay. look at here. Hello. Look at here. I'll show this one. Okay. Hello. Listen here. Question understood or not? Here, right? Given. Right. Given ABCD is a trapezium in which ABCD is a trapezium in which E and F are the midpoints of E and F are the midpoints of E and F are the midpoints of AD and BC. AD and BC. AD and BC. Okay. To prove EF parallel DC parallel AB. EF parallel DC parallel AB. Okay. And EF equal to half of AB plus DC. EF equal to half of AB plus DC. Up to here, okay or not? This will take time, okay? Okay. Okay, finish. Okay. Look at here now. There is a construction, join AF and extend DC intersect at G. Okay. Draw this one. Construction, join AF and extend to G when DC intersected, when DC extended. Okay, what you did? Join AF and produce it to intersect DC intersect at G. Okay, clear now? Okay, now look at here. Hello. So now we got what is given, what you have to prove, what is the construction. Clear or not? Okay. Clear now? Clear or not? What is given? What you have to prove? What is that? Okay. Now look at here. Take these triangles. Okay. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, alternate angles. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, alternate angles. BF equal to FC, given. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. 3 equal to 4. Okay. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle ABF congruent to GCF. GCF. Okay. Clear or not? Is it okay or not? Right. You write now. Proof. You write proof. Then I'll explain here. Right. In triangle ABF. In triangle ABF. ABF and GCF. GCF. Angle 1, you mark it 1. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. This is 2. Don't forget to mark it 1 and 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Alternate angles. BF equal to FC. BF equal to FC. BF equal to FC. Given. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Vertically opposite angles. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Then, therefore, triangle ABF congruent to triangle GCF. ABF congruent to GCF. Okay. ASA congruency, right? ASA congruency. Hence, AB equal to CG. AB equal to CG. AB equal to CG and AF equal to FG. AF equal to FG, CPCT. AB equal to CG and AF equal to FG, CPCT. Okay, check now up to here. CPCT what? You got triangle ABF congruent to GCF. So AB equal to CG, CPCT, and AF equal to FG. Okay. Check up to here. Then I'll start the second part. Okay. So now listen here. Okay. Hello. Listen. In triangle ADG. Listen. In triangle ADG is the midpoint of AD. E is the midpoint of AD. F is the midpoint of AG. So then by midpoint theorem, EF parallel to DG, which implies EF parallel to DC. So EF parallel to DC parallel to AB. Clear or not? Right. In triangle ADG, okay, in triangle ADG is the midpoint of AD. E is the midpoint of AD. Okay, given F is the midpoint of AG. F is the midpoint of AG. Proved. Then by midpoint theorem, EF parallel to DG. EF parallel to DG, which implies EF parallel to DC. EF parallel to DC. But DC parallel to AB. Therefore, EF parallel DC parallel AB. EF parallel DC parallel AB. Okay. Clear now? First part is clear or not? After that, also the midpoint theorem, another part is that EF equal to half of DG. Half of DG is DC plus CG. But CG equal to what? AB. Half of Divya, listen. I'll explain that part. Listen. In triangle ADG. E is the midpoint of AD. E is the midpoint of AD given. F is the midpoint of AG proved. Then by midpoint theorem, EF parallel to DG. EF parallel to DG. That is EF parallel to DC. EF parallel to DC. But DC parallel to AB given. DC parallel to AB given. Therefore, EF parallel DC parallel AB. Clear now? Okay, now second part. Also EF equal to half of DG. EF equal to half of DG. Check DG, half of DC plus CG. DC plus CG. CG equal to AB, we proved. CG equal to AB. That is half of AB plus DC. Half of AB plus DC. Okay, try first. Okay, you check all. Okay, it's clear now. Everyone check this one. Okay. So I take it, check all the notes. Okay, only 2 questions today finish. Okay. So check each and every line. Okay. Okay, finish? No, because already we did all the chapters now, only balance. Okay, you study yourself. When is the test, Jonathan? When is your test? 22nd day, tell me, man. Sunday. Okay, so no need, you can prepare yourself. Okay. So only the balance revision, only this chapter. Still we did many times. Okay. So next question, right? ABCD, next question. ABCD said, right? ABCD and PQRC are rectangles. ABCD and PQRC are rectangles. ABCD and PQRC are rectangles. PQRC are rectangles. ABCD ABCD and PQRC are rectangle. PQRC are rectangles. Okay, and Q is the midpoint of AC. Q is the midpoint of AC. Prove that 1, DP equal to PC. 2, PR equal to half AC. 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 Okay, try now. ABC, listen, question what? ABCD and PQRC are rectangles. Okay, Q is the midpoint of AC. Show that DP equal to PC and PR equal to half of AC. PR equal to half of AC. Okay. Remind me, Jonathan. Okay. Maybe I'll arrange. Okay. Question. Hello. Question is ABCD. ABCD is a rectangle. Sorry, ABCD and PQRC are rectangles. PQRC are rectangles. Q is the midpoint of AC. Q is the midpoint of AC. Prove that DP equal to PC. First one. Second one, PR equal to half of AC. PR equal to half of AC. Namida, clear now? Okay, can you try? Hello, can you try this one? Yes, diagonals are equal, right? Diagonals are equal. Okay, that is second part. Okay, you can write PR equal to QC, correct or no? Akshaya, PR equal to QC. In rectangle, diagonals are equal. Therefore, PR equal to QC equal to half of AC. Second part finish. Correct or no? Second part is easy. Correct or no? PR equal to QC. In rectangle, diagonals are equal in length. But QC equal to half of AC given. Therefore, PR equal to half of AC. Oh, we got second part first. Second part we finish. What to do first part now? Yeah, midpoint theorem. Look at here. In triangle ADC. Look, in triangle ADC, Q is the midpoint. DP parallel to AD. Because sides of this angle 90. Okay, I'll give the note now. Then you can write. Listen here. Look, hello. Write the notes. Then you can check it. Angle D equal to angle P. Angle D equal to angle QPC, 90 degree. Angle D equal to this one. This angle and this angle. Angle D equal to angle QPC equal to 90 degree. Each angle of a each angle of a rectangle. Each angle of a rectangle. Okay. Therefore, AD parallel to QP. AD parallel to QP. Bracket, right? Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay. Then in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, Q is the midpoint of AC. Q is the midpoint of AC. QP parallel to AD. Q is the midpoint of AC given. QP parallel to AD proved. Then by converse of midpoint theorem, P is the midpoint of DC. P is the midpoint of DC. Therefore, dP equal to PC. Therefore, dP equal to PC. Is it okay now? dP equal to PC. Is it okay? Hello, check all. Is it okay or not? What I said, in triangle ADC, QP parallel to AD. In triangle ADC, Q is the midpoint. QP parallel to AD. Therefore, P is the midpoint of DC. Bracket what? Converse of midpoint theorem. Converse of midpoint theorem. Okay, clear now? Okay, after that, now second part, you join PR. Hello, join PR. Then write PR equal to QC. PR equal to QC. Diagonals of a rectangle. Diagonals of rectangles are equal. Diagonals of a rectangle are equal. Okay, but QC equal to half of AB. QC equal to half of AB. QC equal to half of QC equal to half of AB. That means PR equal to half of AC. QC equal to half of AC. Therefore, PR equal to half of AC. PR equal to half of AC. Okay, it's clear now. So next question, is it okay? See now 3 questions will finish today. Check. If anyone doubt, tell me now. Okay, I'll wait 3 minutes. Hello, just go through these questions. When you doubt, I'll clear now. Okay, it's all important questions. Third question. This one, Angelina. Angelina. Third one means this one, right? Okay. What do you have to find out? Look, first you have to find out P is the midpoint, right? P is the midpoint. In triangle, listen, in triangle ADC, AD parallel to QP, because 90 here, 90 here. Corresponding angles are equal. So AD parallel to QP. AD parallel to QP. Okay, but Q is the midpoint. Therefore, P is the midpoint of DC. Finish. Why? The converse of midpoint theorem what saying? The line segment passing through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to the second side, it will bisect the third side. Okay. Up to that. PR equal, listen, in rectangle, diagonals are equal. PR equal to QC. PR equal to QC. So that means QC equal to half of AB. Finish. Okay, finish now. So next question, right? ABCD is a parallelogram, right? ABCD is a parallelogram. Hey, Gautam, you didn't get the marks? You didn't tell me the marks. Gautam. Hello, Gautam, coordinator. You didn't tell me the marks. Why? Okay. So you didn't go to school after that, after March? No, you don't want to see the school. At least you can visit the school now, right? No one went to school, this batch. Gulf India students, DPS, Bhavans. From March till November is sitting at home. Didn't go anywhere. It's still sitting at home, not going out. Why can't you go to school, man? At least you can see the school now. You miss your school, right? Oh, okay. That's why your building anyone have positive cases nearby? If you wear the mask, there is no issue. What is the problem? Parents are going for work now, like that. Okay. Anyway, listen here. Next, ABCD is a parallelogram, right? Oh, okay. Then okay, no problem. I just ask about. Okay, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, just wait. Okay. ABCD is a listen here. Near angle D, mosquito. Where? No mosquito. Oh, the fly. Come on, my camera is very clear. It's a fly, not mosquito. Really, camera is very clear now, right? Yes. I got another cameraman. I think that is, I got another new one. No, not this one, another one. Maybe I don't know whether it's work or not. Okay, I'm not sure about that, whether it's work or it will work, but I don't know how to use that one. It's not for that webcam. It's for travel GoPro. In that specifications, they're saying it work as a webcam also. I'll try that one day. No, not USB, Ahmed. It's a no. It is for the YouTube travelers now. Travel blog. They are using in under the water and all. You not seen under the water and traveling. People are using that. Yeah, GoPro. Yes. Yes. In GoPro 9, saying it is webcam also. There is. It will be more clear maybe. I don't know. Sure about. I'll check it. Okay. I didn't try that one. Okay. I got one 9, but I didn't try for the webcam. Okay, but this camera is good now. Now even you saw the one fly is there. That is Ahmed noticed that one fly is. I didn't see that. So I directly I didn't see that. Okay, so camera is very good. Okay, so next question. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. P and Q are points on AD. P and Q. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. P is a point on AD. P is a point on AD. P is a point on AD such that AP equal to 1 by 3 AD. AP equal to 1 by 3 AD. Q is a point on BC. Q is a point on BC. CQ equal to 1 by 3 BC. CQ equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that AQ CQ is a parallelogram. AQ CP is a parallelogram. Prove that AQ CP is a parallelogram. AQ CP is a parallelogram. Okay. Okay, try this one. Yes, AP equal to 1 by 3 AD. CQ equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that AQ CP is a parallelogram. AQ CP is a parallelogram. Okay. Yeah, try now. We can try. Look at here. AD, AD, listen, I'll give the note. AD parallel to BC. Listen, AD parallel to BC. Therefore, AP parallel to CQ. Number one. AD equal to BC. Then 1 by 3 AD equal to 1 by 3 BC. That means AP equal to CQ. Number two. So what? AP CQ is a parallelogram. Why? A pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. A pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. Okay. Okay, try fast now. Finish it fast. Okay. Clear now. Next question, right? ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD, next question, star question, right? ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. And angle DAB 60 degree. Angle DAB 60 degree. Angle DAB 60 degree. Angle DAB 60 degree. If the bisector AP and BP of angle, if the bisector AP is the bisector of angle A and B meet meet P on CD. Prove that DP equal to PC. Prove that DP equal to PC. Prove that DP equal to PC. Okay. Question here. ABCD, listen. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. Angle DAB 60 degree. This angle 60 degree. The bisectors AP and BP intersect at P. Prove that DP equal to PC. Prove that DP equal to PC. Okay, draw first. Okay, try now. Okay, look at here now. Anybody got this one? Can you try? Hello, can you try this one? It's a numerical work. You can try. Okay, try now. Hello, Sham. Are you getting or not? Now show that P is the midpoint of DC. Akshaya, show that P is the midpoint of DC. No need to congruent. It based on the angle we'll get it. Based on the angle we'll get it. Don't need to show the congruency. Okay, you'll get it based on the angle. Try that. Okay. So finish. Look at here. I'll show this one. Look at here now. Hello. Anybody got? Gulf India students? Yes. Got anyone? Santosh. Sorry, Sham. Sham, Jonathan, Glenn. We did this question here. Okay. Look at here now. Hello. Look. Akshaya, listen here. This angle 60, but AP the bisector 30 here. This also 30. This 30, this also 30. Alternate angles. Okay. Hello, listen. Angle DAB. Angle, listen. Angle DAB 60, but AP the bisector. So 30, 30. This is 30 alternate angles. Hence, AD equal to DP, number 1. Why? Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay. This is 60 means this full is 120. So 60 here, 60 here. This 60 means this also 60. So then what? BC equal to CD, CP, number 2. But AD equal to BC. But AD equal to BC. So what? DP equal to PC. DP equal to PC. Finish. Clear now? Okay. Okay. You want the note? Okay, right now. Angle DAB 60 degree, right? Angle DAB 60 degree. Angle DAB 60 degree given. Therefore, angle DAP equal to angle PAC 30 degree. DAP equal to PAC equal to 30 degree. Bracket right? AP the bisector. Then angle PAB equal to angle APD. Angle PAB equal to angle APD 30 degree. Alternate angles. Alternate angles. Okay. Therefore, AD equal to DP. AD equal to DP. Call it number 1. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay. This part okay or not? This part clear or not? Okay. Now, angle ABC, right? Angle A plus angle B 180 degree. Co-interior angles. Angle A plus angle B 180 degree co-interior angles. But angle A 60 given. Angle A 60 given. Therefore, angle ABC 120 degree. ABC 120 degree. This angle. Okay. Then, but angle APB, angle ABP equal to angle PBC 60 degree. ABP equal to angle PBC equal to 60 degree. Bracket BP the bisector. BP is the bisector. Then angle ABP equal to angle BPC alternate angles. ABP equal to BPC equal to 60 degree alternate angles. Therefore, BC equal to PC. BC equal to BC. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Number 2. But AD equal to BC. AD equal to BC. AD equal to BC. Opposite sides of parallelogram. Therefore, dP equal to PC. Therefore, dP equal to PC. Okay, check this one. Okay. Thursday test is this chapter. Test is quadrilateral. Okay. Okay, check now. If any doubt, tell me now this question. Okay, finish. Is it okay? So, listen. Thursday we'll finish this chapter. Okay. So Thursday prepare this one. We'll finish this chapter. Okay. Then next week we'll do the circle. Okay. So then after circle we have only one chapter only balance. What do you call statistics? That's simple chapter. Okay. Construction simple, man. One day enough. Okay. One day enough. Only three or four construction only. Okay. This is enough today.